Hello, my name is Ben Thompson, and I'm here today to talk to you about my petition to ban guns from all college campuses. I'm invested in this topic because next year I'm going to be a college student, and I am an active gun owner that enjoys target shooting. The latest increase of gun violence at colleges has me worried about the safety for when I go to college next year, and that's why I want to start a petition to ban guns at college campuses. Key points. Executive function of the brain is not fully developed. Increasing number of college-related shootings, and students, faculty, and guests want to feel safe on college campuses. There are many reasons why guns should be banned from college campuses. Reason number one being, according to the AACP, research on brain development demonstrates that young children have a difficulty accurately assessing risk, and the adolescents are inclined toward risk-taking behavior. These developmental considerations make access to guns particularly dangerous for children and adolescents. Let's talk about the dorsolateral prefrontal cortex, which is the executive functions of the brain. This is illustrated through the white box in the top right of the picture. For a 5-year-old brain, it shows that it's very underdeveloped and leads to riskier behaviors being taken. Moving on to the preteen brain, you can notice some minor developmental changes in the executive functions of the brain. There is a lot of development overall from the preteen to the teen brain, but there is still a lack of development in the prefrontal cortex of the brain. The 20-year-old adult brain is mostly developed in all areas shown by the illustration, although if you look towards the box, there is still a lack of complete development, which can lead to riskier behaviors. This shows that even though most of your brain is fully developed, college students still tend to lead towards riskier behaviors. Let's take a closer look at some more statistics. This graph shows shooting incidents and casualties from 2001 and 2002 school year to the 2015-2016 school year. The blue lines show victims wounded, while the red lines show victims killed. And the dotted line that goes through the whole thing shows the amount of shootings per year. In 2016-2015, there were almost 30 school shootings. This shows that there's been a steady increase from 2001 to 2016. To put this into another perspective, let's use this graphic to take a look at the U.S., which is divided into 4 different regions. The West had a total of 25 shootings, with its leading state being California with 14. The Northeast had a total of 18 shootings, with its leading place being Pennsylvania. The South had a total of 121 shootings, with Tennessee, Georgia, and Virginia having its top shootings with 14, 13, and 13. And then to the Midwest, which had a total of 26. Illinois having 8, Ohio having 5, and Michigan having 3, and then our own state, Indiana, having 3 as well. If you ask me, that's just way too many shootings to not ban guns from college campuses. Let's take a look at who were the people that were bringing the guns and violence into our colleges. 28% of the people that were doing were students, 4% were employers, 9% were former students, and 59% were not even people from the college campus. Let's take that information and break it down a little bit more. 66% were students that were shot. That's 290 people. 40 were employees. 5 were former students. 77 people that were not affiliated with the school at all were also shot. That's just way too many, and we need to do something to protect those people that are visiting our schools and the faculty and students from being shot. That's why we need to ban guns from every college campus in America.